This is Sam holding a roly-poly on his hand.
I see you.
Not yet.
Tell Grandma, take a picture of the roly-poly.
What's Grandma doing? Am I taking a picture? Is it going on your sleeve? Uh-oh. Where are you going, roly-poly?
What is it, Sam?
Roly-poly.
You want to put them on your hand again?
Okay.
Here, roly-poly, get under Sam's hand. Hold it that way. I'm not very good at filming.
You got that baby.
It keeps trying to go in your sleeve. Oh, there he goes. Oh no. Oh well, bye-bye.